Following controversies over cricketer Muthiah Muralitharan's biopic, actor Vijay Sethupathi has hinted at withdrawing from the film. The superstar had spoken to Sri Lankan radio station earlier today and had said that he would go ahead with the project. However, after Muthiah Muralitharan's statement, the actor took to Twitter and wrote, "Thank you, Vanakkam. The production house is likely to give out a statement soon." Former cricketer Muthiah Muralitharan, in his statement, had requested Vijay to withdraw from the project, saying that he doesn't want any roadblocks in his path ahead. Remember, some of Vijay's fans were unhappy. They claimed that Murali backed atrocities against Tamils. I want to connect right now to my colleague Akshay, joining us live. Akshay, what more can you add to this?
Well, Preeti, this is the second statement that has been released by Muthiah Muralitharan in the last couple of days. In the first statement, he had justified as to how he was not anti-Tamils or anti-Sri Lankan Tamil-Elam issues. He himself is a Tamil from Sri Lanka, and he had justified saying that he's done a lot of projects in favor of the Sri Lankan Elam Tamils, and the kind of perception that is there against him is something that needs to change, and it is not true, is what Muralitharan had said in his first statement. And even after that, it was seen that several people had continuously opposed the idea of Vijay Sethupathi acting in the movie, and again the bone of contention that Muthiah Muralitharan did not fight for the Tamil Elam cause was brought up. And now today we are seeing that Muthiah Muralitharan has released a new statement requesting Vijay Sethupathi to withdraw from the project, even citing that he does not want to have any hindrance in Vijay Sethupathi's movie careers. And post that, now we are seeing that Vijay Sethupathi has responded to Muthiah Muralitharan's statement on Twitter with a very ambiguous comment which says Nandri Vanakkam, which means thank you, namaste. And what does this mean? Is he going to continue with the project? Is he going to withdraw from the project? All these things we need to wait and watch. We're being told that the production house is likely to come out with a statement regarding the same very soon. It is likely that Vijay Sethupathi will move out of the project, and it will be done by somebody else. So we need to wait and watch as to what is going to happen next. But the big question that many people have raised is, why create politics in a movie which is based on a cricketer's life and his achievements, which could be an inspiration for millions and millions in the country, especially in a country where cricket is really important and people really watch a lot of cricket. So Muthiah Muralitharan and his fan following are raising questions as to why Vijay Sethupathi is being stopped, but we need to now wait and watch as to what the production house is going to decide.
Stay on with me, Akshay. Let's quickly listen into the other reactions coming in on this story.
Vijay accepting the role was an individual decision, therefore withdrawing is also an individual decision. I'm sure as a thinker, as a person who's also not just an actor but with very socially conscious person, he must have taken the decision, and in consultation with Murali, whose life it is all about. So I really think we should wait for some more clarity, both from Vijay's side as well as Murali's side, to see what is going to happen. But okay, it's an individual decision.
He has been threatened and he is afraid. Very simple. It is unfortunate. It is his wish. It is his decision. What we can say, it is the decision to act. It is his decision to withdraw. So I don't have any say on this. But people have intimidated him, and he has withdrawn definitely, because of all these politics these people are doing is something ridiculous. It is against the freedom of expression and what all.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.